tools of skincare that help Korean women look so young. Experts often use the word revolutionary when they talk about Korean skincare. It invaded the beauty industry a while ago and it continues to gain more and more admirers who swear that it makes a phenomenal change. Korean skincare has a few tricks and uses of some innovative ingredients, and when combined, they create a system that's very unique and highly effective. Have you had enough of acne and wrinkle treatments that do next to nothing for your skin? We at Brightside selected some tips and tricks that are very well known in the K-beauty industry and will provide you with clear and healthy skin. In Korea, they say you can lie about your age, but your skin doesn't lie. 1. Multi-step cleansing. Beauty came with a very different cleansing procedure that includes multiple steps. Do you remember when your science teacher told you that like dissolves like? In this case, the Korean skincare system starts by using oil-based cleansing to get rid of all oil-based impurities, such as sunscreen and makeup, and it also pulls out any excess oil from your pores. The second step is to use a water-based cleanser that removes all water-based residues such as sweat and dirt. Every now and then, you may need to exfoliate your skin to remove dead skin cells. 2. Face massage. Tapping motions stimulate the lymph nodes, and this helps prevent aging by promoting blood circulation and by eliminating waste. Massages are frequently used along the V-line, in areas above and between the eyes, and around the mouth to prevent wrinkles. After cleansing, apply your favorite moisturizing product and tap or gently massage the product onto the skin. 3. Moisturize immediately. If you really want to take advantage of the moisturizing process and allow any lotion or cream to fully penetrate your pores, make sure that you moisturize as soon as you dry off from the shower. Since your pores open up while you shower or bathe, it's best to apply the moisturizer to your face no more than a minute after you've dried off. 4. Vitamin C nourishes dry and dull skin from the inside out. Its antioxidant properties purify fatigued skin and help brighten and freshen the complexion by improving the skin's circulation. Citric acid works wonders for ridding your pores of excess dirt and oil and removing dead skin cells. To take advantage of the healing powers of citric acid, use vitamin C serum or just squeeze half of a lemon into a bowl, add water, and apply to your skin with a cotton ball. Lemon will leave your skin bright and clear. Do not use lemon or any other treatments containing vitamin C before you go outside. Vitamin C is affected by sun, and it may leave pigmentation on your skin. 5. Ginseng. Ginseng is probably Korea's top medicine for good health, and the skin's health is not an exception. It acts as an antioxidant, prevents aging, maintains the skin's elasticity, and lengthens the lifespan of skin cells. Ginseng is also very effective in increasing the collagen production in the skin's dermis. 6. Hyaluronic acid. As we age, less sebum is produced and the skin aging process is accelerated because of a decrease of moisture. Hyaluronic acid is an excellent moisture-binding ingredient. It helps maintain moisture in your skin and carries beneficial properties for our skin. It transforms sagging skin into hydrated and elastic skin. 7. Snail mucin. Korean skincare is unbeatable in its constant search for innovative products and unusual natural ingredients, and snail mucin is surely a very successful example of this search. Snail mucin contains a bunch of amazing elements. It has collagen, hyaluronic acid, vitamins, and mineral salts. It is naturally designed to regenerate cells because the snail uses it to restore its shell. Because of its structure, snail mucin has the ability to effectively connect the free radicals and normalize the production of collagen and elastin. It also has an anti-inflammatory effect, so it calms and removes irritation. It moisturizes the skin, covering it with a thin invisible film that holds the moisture in but allows oxygen to pass through and let the skin breathe. 8. UV protection. UV exposure is one of the major causes of premature aging, since collagen production decreases in the dermis when your skin is exposed to UV rays for a long time, and this results in thinner skin and the appearance of wrinkles. Sunscreen is a must in the K-beauty system. Sunscreen in Korean skincare has a relatively light texture, gets absorbed well, and does not leave any sticky and greasy residue. In addition, they moisturize the skin and can be used before applying makeup. Sunscreen is also crucial for those who spend time in the sun, as it helps protect your skin from cancer. 9. Collagen. Collagen is a type of protein that provides a structure for your skin. It's like a frame that holds the whole building together, and without that frame, the whole building would fall apart. Collagen helps maintain the skin's elasticity and makes the skin more luminous. Skin that's lacking in collagen becomes saggy and starts losing its fullness and firmness. Unfortunately, with age, collagen production slows down drastically. That's why collagen serums play a very important role in the anti-aging K-beauty process. 10. Peptides. As we mentioned above, collagen is crucial for our skin. It's a protein that looks like a chain made from many small segments. These segments are called peptides. When our body detects an increasing amount of peptides, it gets a message that the skin is losing collagen and starts producing it, which is exactly what we want. In other words, products containing peptides help increase collagen production. Have you already tried K-beauty skincare? Or maybe you know somebody who has? Tell us what you think about it in the comments, and share this article with your friends and family.